Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to send SHAREit through Bluetooth in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to share the SHAREit app via Bluetooth, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To send the SHAREit app through Bluetooth, first of all, open the SHAREit app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the plus icon located at the top right corner. Now, a pop-up menu will appear with different options. From here, tap on the invite option. A screen will appear showing different sharing methods. Now, select the Bluetooth button. Remember to turn on Bluetooth on your mobile device and your friend's device to transfer the SHAREit app via Bluetooth. From the pop-up, tap on the OK button to start searching for nearby devices. From the list of available devices, select the phone to which you want to send the SHAREit app. Now, on the receiver's device, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Ask them to tap on Accept. Now, the SHAREit APK file will start transferring through Bluetooth. Wait until the transfer is complete. Once done, the receiver can tap on the received file and install the SHAREit app on their phone.